Good evening from Southwest Florida. It's just another gorgeous night with another beautifully painted sky. Look at the depth and the beauty in all of those clouds. You can see the pink over there. As you look away from the sunset, you can see the clouds. And it's really cool when it reflects off of clouds like that one over there. We have such a beautiful, cool breeze tonight, and we're just so thrilled to get such a pretty painting. Would love to see your sunset pictures in the comments below.